My mother's taking a baby
I
out.
see. She
likes to post these on.
Oh no!
Just for her friends.
Precious.
These look really good.
I love them.
Yeah,
My mother made that one.
I like this. The colors of one thing I like.
Yeah. You know what cracks me up is that we're not gonna ever want to get rid of these. Like, what are we gonna do afterwards?
Put them up in here.
You give them away as like raffle.
Yes, and take it with you. Tiffany.
Tiffany. This is Tiffany. And we are all making flowers for
The expo.
the
Avon
expo.
Expo.
Where and when?
Manhattan Beach, and March 21st, is Saturday.
Isn't that wonderful?
It's
for
exciting. It's for the walkers and the crew members and volunteers to come learn about the walk and get lots of great information so they're prepared.
Great.
Yes, very prepared.
And look who's sitting here.
I can help with tent setup. That would be
Well, these are flowers, and I made some of them too, and they're gorgeous.
So
Look at these flowers.
do you want a different pair?
fancy. Well, I only have 2 more. They may as well match.
Aren't they pretty? They're paper flowers, and I'm going to teach everybody how to make them. And here are people making for the expo other flowers.
I did not put those there.
I just see it up. They found their way to you.
No, I did not.
Right.
Good deal, because I wasn't going to let you.
And here's a computer wizard working for us. These are all volunteers. All volunteers. Isn't this magnificent? Volunteers everywhere. Volunteers everywhere.